In this tutorial, we'll cover how to blur faces in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Once you have the footage ready in your timeline, create a new duplicate layer of the footage. To do this, select the footage. Hold Alt and drag over the footage to make duplicate. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian Blur. Drag the Gaussian Blur effect onto the above footage. In the Effect Controls panel, you can adjust the settings of the Gaussian Blur effect to your liking. Increase the blurriness parameter until the face is adequately blurred. To isolate the blur effect to just the face, we'll use the Ellipse Mask tool. With the adjustment layer selected, click on the Ellipse Mask tool in the Effect Controls panel. Then draw a mask around the face you want to blur. If the face moves throughout the footage, you can track the mask to ensure the blur stays in place. Click on the play button icon in the mask path to track forward. Premiere Pro will track the face and place the mask accordingly. Preview your video to ensure the blur effect looks as desired. Once you're satisfied, you can export your video by going to the File menu, then selecting Export and choosing your desired export settings. And there you have it! You've successfully blurred a face in Adobe Premiere Pro.